Welcome to Healthy and Fitness Academy. Be healthy and stay fit forever with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Natural weight loss and nutrition. Part of a natural weight loss plan is making sure that the foods that you eat are nutritious. Whenever you are on a diet, you need to eat foods that are nutrient-rich, and that contain the optimum amount of vitamins and minerals. That is because you are not eating as much per day when you are dieting, which also means that you are eating less food. It is easier to cut over 500 calories a day from your usual consumption of foods per day, if you are eating well, because foods that are good for you do not leave you with that craving to eat even more. As you are eating less, you need to make sure that the foods that you are eating are as jam-packed with nourishment as possible. One of the most nutritious foods that you can eat while on a diet is beans. Beans are rich in fiber and do not cost much. They are also a great source of protein and very cheap. Broccoli is another food that is great when you are on a diet. The roughage helps you from getting constipated. The folic acid in broccoli prevents you from getting constipated, and keeps you from developing iron-poor blood. Eat as much fruit as possible when you are on a diet. Cantaloupe is a very nourishing choice, as it supplies you with all the vitamin A and C that you need in a day. Blend this with ice to make a great shake. Melons of all kinds are crammed with the vitamins that you need to be very healthy. Yet another great thing to eat when you are on a diet is oranges. These have vitamin C, folic acid and fiber. Oranges are stacked with vitamin A too. In fact, if you need vitamin A, any orange-colored fruit or vegetable goes a long way towards optimizing your nutrition. Drinking the juices of orange fruits, if any kind, is also recommended for optimum nutrition and to improve your immune system. It is important to keep your brain enriched with omega-3 oils as well. Make sure you eat plenty of salmon, avocados and fish. Catfish, swordfish and rainbow trout are also good sources of protein and omega-3 oils that can help keep your brain healthy and prevent heart attacks. If you drink milk, then consider that it is one of the best sources of protein. Soy milk is also a good choice. However, if you are drinking rice milk or soy milk, make sure that it is enriched with vitamins. Rice milk in particular can have you downing excess calories that you do not need and make you fatter, while at the same time not really containing that many nutrients at all. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN